Alright, Asadu and welcome back. This is Michael, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a Google Calendar to Notion. So this is what the final product's going to look like. We're going to have it in a nice drop down toggle like this, and the reason for this is we can resize this to all kinds of different sizes, so we don't want to take up all of our space. And we're adding the Google Calendar in an embed like this because right now Notion doesn't talk to other programs, so your calendars in Notion aren't going to be updated or fed by other calendars yet until the API comes out. So in the meantime, we want to be able to see everything all in one place. We're going to embed your Google Calendar. So first thing you want to do is figure out where you want it to go. So I actually just going to replicate exactly what I had there. We're going to add a block below somewhere, and then we can scroll right down to the toggle list. If you already have an empty space that you're working in, then you can simply type / for commands, and now you can type the word toggle. That is either pressing the plus sign somewhere or typing / for toggle. Once you have your toggle, we're going to title it Google Calendar, and I like to make everything pretty, so I'm going to change my text to bold and change the color so everything matches. Now inside this toggle, this is where your calendar is going to live, but we're going to grab the link that we're going to embed first. So we're going to switch over to our web browser, and this is the page you're going to see. You're going to go to indify.co at the time of writing. We'll keep the link updated in the description, and sign up with an email address right here or with Google. They're a very popular company for creating different widgets for Notion right now until the API comes out. They're probably what we're going to be using a lot of the time. So once you sign up, you're going to see a page that looks like this, and you can add a new widget, scroll through all the widgets that they offer, different things. Anything here that you get from here you can embed the same way we're going to embed the calendar. So you can click add new widget, click Google Calendar to create the widget, and it's going to bring you to the page where you're going to start tying things together. So we want to sign in with our Google account, and I'm going to use my brand for this. Then once you're logged in, you can close that prompt, and everything's going to update on the side right here. So you can select which calendar you'd like to embed right here. I only have one associated with this account, so I'm going to use that one. And then your default view, what do you want to see? There are also paid features if you want to have more specific information. Do you want your week to start on a Monday? Use 24-hour format, etc. Background color, text mode, dark mode, you can switch on and off like this. And once you are happy with all of your settings here, just scroll down to the bottom and you're going to have a copy link. You just click this clipboard right here, and that link should be in your clipboard. Once you have that link, you can go back to Notion, and in that empty space we created, wherever you want to embed this, just type / and then type embed, embed. When we type / and embed, we're going to get a prompt where we can paste that link we just copied and embed the link. Once we do that, our calendar is already going to be tied in with all of our information visible. We can resize it from here and use it immediately. Now, if you don't want to do things this way using a website to get a widget, you can actually embed a Google Calendar directly if you're okay with making your calendar public. So just go to your calendar, pick the one once again on the left, which one you want to look at, and go to the settings and sharing for that calendar. Then you're going to go to access permissions on the left, or scroll down to it, see where it says make public. You want to check that, click OK to the prompt, and that's going to allow you to get a link from the integrate calendar section. You can go down to integrate calendar and grab the public URL for this calendar. You can do the exact same thing that we just did by embedding it to Notion just like this, except that version most likely isn't going to show you details for your events. It's just going to show you whether you're busy or not. So I prefer using the widget from Indify because it keeps me up to date with things that are actually going on my calendar, so I know what they are. And if you are not seeing enough information, you can just make this as big as you'd like to, whatever size, shape fits in your Notion, and then you can hide it away in that toggle just like that. Alright, let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we will see you again.